Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about the understanding of the unity of heaven and earth in modern society. When people hear harmony between man and nature, they all think that it refers to the relationship between man and nature, or between man and man. The sun and the moon are in the sky, and the earth is in our midst. For example, our daily food, clothing, housing, use, transportation, etc., all of which are inseparable from the gifts of nature, including the natural air we breathe, the sunshine we bathe in, and the social environment we live in. In order to better adapt to and understand the nature, people put forward the cognitive concept of harmony between man and nature. In theory, for example, the Belt and Road Initiative of China's modern infrastructure construction is about seeking common ground while reserving differences between countries in the environment in order to reduce the damage to nature. Countries have proposed policies to reduce carbon emissions in order to have a better ecological environment. Countries and vigorously promote harmonious natural governance program, more people to promote harmony between the social norms. How did the ancients understand the unity of God and man? Due to the defects of ancient science and technology, the lack of understanding of nature, such as why the sky will thunder, will rain, the stars in the sky will not be the same as on the earth. There are also a series of problems such as wisdom and life. Those who do not understand will have fear, so there is a worship of God's prayer. This phenomenon is still widespread in modern society. In the pre-Qin period, the sage Lao Tzu appeared, and people began to have a better understanding of heaven and earth and nature. In the elaboration of this point of view, Zhuangzi in the article put forward the heaven and earth and I coexist, and all things and I, only philosophical theory. From then on, God is one. This term is widely used in Taoism. What he means is that all things in heaven and earth are produced from the Tao. Man, as one of all things, is also of the same origin as the heavens and the earth. Although this concept has raised the level of cognition, it is very difficult to put it into practice, because in addition to Lao Tzu, no later generations have been able to reach this level of character, so the idea of this theory has been slowly diluted by history. With the later prosperity of Taoism, the theory of harmony between man and nature re-entered people's field of vision, that is, the human heart of heaven and earth induction, the body of virtue, and heaven and earth with life, which will have such as spells, such as the emergence of a single road. But this theory is based on an idea that has no chance of being realized. Therefore, the Taoist theory of the unity of heaven and man has lost its aura, and there is no basis for happiness. Today, the majority of the harmony between man and nature is proposed by the Confucian people for the purpose of peaceful coexistence, as well as in terms of moral cultivation, hoping to coexist harmoniously with nature, reflecting nature, bringing people the beautiful scenery and spiritual pleasure.